Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Roblox theme song on piano. First, let's find middle C on your piano. This note is usually near the center of your keyboard. From there, locate the first 5 notes of the C major scale: C, D, E, F, and G. The opening phrase of the Roblox theme song primarily uses these fundamental notes, making it a great starting point for beginners. We'll build from these basics. Now let's focus on the main melody for your right hand. The iconic opening begins with a repeating pattern, G, E, C. Practice playing G, E, C 4 times in a row. After this, the melody descends with the notes F, E, D, and then C. Remember to maintain a steady, even rhythm as you play these sequences. This consistent timing is crucial for the song's recognizable feel. Next, we'll introduce the left hand to add some harmony with simple chords. Your left hand will primarily play 2 chords, C major and G major. A C major chord is formed by playing C, E, and G together. For the G major chord, you'll play G, B, and D simultaneously. Practice switching smoothly between these 2 chords, ensuring each note sounds clear. This foundation will greatly enrich the melody. Finally, let's combine both hands to play the full Roblox theme. Start by playing the right hand melody and the left hand chords simultaneously, beginning very slowly. Focus on coordinating your hands so they work together seamlessly. As you gain comfort and accuracy, gradually increase your tempo. Consistent practice, even just 10 to 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your playing and help you master this fun tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.